Seems to me like you're not using those papers for writing, but for rolling
doobies. Hey.
Look at that. Hey, that's a keeper.
You think so? If he's 12, I'll keep him.
Yeah.
He's close. Oh. No. He's fine. He's hooked good. Here. Huh, that's a very pretty fish. This is the best one that we've got on this little trip here.
Yeah.
On this section.
I say we keep him.
Oh! No, man, not my $200 reel! Dude!
Well, you dropped the fish! You're so cavalier with them.
I wasn't cavalier.
You were too.
You threw my rod in the water.
You tossed the fish in the water.
I didn't try to, he tossed himself.
Well, you know what? I didn't try to, I was going for this.
Next time, don't chuck the reel unless it's over 15 inches. Then he can chuck the rod, all right? I'm not mad. I'm annoyed, but I'm not mad. It's okay. It's a sealed system.
It was a nice fish.
It was a nice fish. I'm not mad at you, man.
I'm mad at you.
No. You don't understand. I'm actually pissed off at you.
No. I'm not being defensive. I'm being offensive. All right?
I love how you drop the reel. I'm like, the reel. And you're like, the fish. Oh, man. That was pretty funny. When you get an expensive reel, I'm getting revenge. Be like a 3-inch fish, just chuck the rod in the water.
I remember Dad put, what is it? Ah, yeah, way down there.
That's a 8-9 inch? Dude, you reel in so slow. It's actually kind of wild.
I want to just keep a certain amount of, oh shoot.
Hey, your apple. Catch your apple. They're obviously not biting very hard.
No. I want to maintain a certain amount of tension without tearing it out of its mouth. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I get what you mean. But they're also coming downstream, so sometimes I literally see them out swimming you're reeling in.
Really?
Yeah.
The tension's on. What do the French call prison?
I don't know.
You're going to be stuck.
Maybe the name of the facility is what they call it.
You are.
Dude, they are biting
Dude.
ridiculously light. My word. I think I'm gonna fully.
It's still right there.
Is it? Yep. I think I'm gonna fully clip my my tail here. Maybe try pulling it up a little bit.
You are going to the state penitentiary.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm also surprised that didn't go wildly wrong.
Hey,
it's not as big as the one you lost.
I know. Thanks for reminding me of that.
You're welcome.
I should have. I mean, it wasn't so big that I was like, I need to put this on the stringer right now.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Okay, I won't drop it this time.
Thank you.
Intentionally.
I genuinely appreciate that. Yeah, I don't think he's keepable. He's what, 10 inches?
I know, he's right on the line.
Yeah, he's 10 inches. Yeah, he's really thin too.
Yeah, if he
pretty
was fat.
Yeah, if he was a chubby one, I'd be like, all right, we're keeping him. He literally followed it up. Like, he followed it right to the end.
Right.
How's that water? Delish? Yeah. He's gonna drown without falling in. That last cough scared me. It made me flinch.
I did over-dramatize it just for you.
Yeah!
Wow.
There's another rainbow. Little guy. This is a nice pool. Yes!
Nice, dude.
Woo!
Hey.
There it is. Hey, hey, hey. That one's for the stringer.
Oh, yeah. You just came about this pool. What? Oh, it's a good pool. Is this thing a little too cloudy for you? Or to you?
No, it's not bad.
Nice.
Is that a brook trout? I think it is. Well, hard to get some water here. There we go.
Hold there.
Yeah, brookie. He's very loosely hooked. This section here is insane, dude. There we go.
What's insane?
This whole section here is just nuts. I'm gonna step forward one.
Dude, I've been getting strikes every time I go through this. You know?
Yeah, I do know. Go ahead. Nice.
Right, awesome at all.
Moving, stepping forward.
You know, I looked briefly and I thought it was deep there. I mean, it dropped off, but
Yeah. You get one?
I would have left so hard if I caught something off that guy. Oh, I saw him. He actually wasn't that bad. Hey, that kind of looks like a keeper to me.
I think he's a little bit outside the range I would like to keep.
A little far away, so I'm not totally sure.
He would have been thrown back earlier in the day. He's decent, but I don't think so. I think he's a little chunky, but I think he's less than 10. He's like 10 on the dot.
Is he?
Oh, yeah. I wasn't gonna keep him, so don't freak out.
Hey.
Lost him?
Yeah, he was.
Very lightly hooked.
Yeah.
Exact same line. Oh! I'll try for it. I'll try to pop it over this log.
No way.
Yes! Oh, that was funny. I'll just grab him by hand. He's not,
Yeah.
that was, I saw him surface and I was like, yeah, I'll give it a shot.
That's funny.
He jumped. Yeah, but it wasn't a waterfowl.
I actually can't hear you.
This feels like a nice one. It is a nice one. I got him. Whew.
Nice, dude.
That is a beast.
That is a beast.
Oh my word. He's hooked decent.
That is a nice one, dude.
Wow.
Where'd you cast?
Up there on the left.
On the left? Oh, I see it. Okay. Oh, I'm not sure. goose gum.
I'm sorry, Ben. I'm so sorry. It's what you were aiming for too, wasn't it?
Hey, that's a lot of spots.
That's a pretty rainbow. Yeah. Oop. Oh, that's actually good because that was gonna chunk right into my hand. Yikes! That freaked me out.
Oh. I just stepped really.
You're good.
Yes.
Thanks.
I'm mad about it.
Ooh.
Got it.
There's like a stick flagging behind that I got caught up on. Huh? Let me try. Did I get that other one like right there? Dude, this is insane. I have the golden ticket of a spinner right now. Oh my word. Oh, it's a foul hook. Oh.
Foul hook?
Yeah.
Nice. That is a foul hook.
Think he's not bleeding. If I do it carefully, I don't. He's really small, so no chance he's going on the stringer.
Yeah.
What are the chances I size up and that's when, you know, now we're getting brookies. Before we weren't even getting brooks.
Right.
But I do think this yellow has something to do with it.
Yes, that does make sense.
Seems to be the golden.
Like a bright.
Yeah, I don't know if it's because they're kind of going for sucker eggs right now and like that's similar color. I'm not sure. Oh! You want me to bag them for you?
Yeah.
Bring him downtown. That's it. Wow.
Hey.
That's a brown. The brown king.
Dude.
They like that Vibrex. That's a fatty. Nice.
Dang, dude.
Very slick.